Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items for free and over a $6 moneymaker. But before I get into the details of that way you can replicate this yourself, let me tell you just a few announcements. One, I'm getting super close to 7,000 subscribers. Once I hit that, I will be doing my next gift card giveaway. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Share it with your friends. Number two, a lot of you have asked me for saving money advice. So when I did the video a while back and said, what type of videos would you like to see? A number of people said, I want to know how to save money. Because in these videos, we talk about shopping. Teach me how to save money. I posted a video yesterday that talks a bit about my personal experience and my financial journey. If you'd like to check that out, I will link it down in the video description box below. But it's 10 tips for saving money. And I hope you guys enjoy that. Number three, this is a challenge week. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I will team up with other YouTubers to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week, really just to have fun and be silly. The loser this week, and correct me if I'm wrong, Allie, I want to say whoever loses has to wear a wig in their next video. So that'll be exciting to see. But I partnered up with Couponing with Allie. She is wonderful. Definitely check out her channel if you haven't already. And she has the best Southern accent. All right, guys, let's get into these deals. Let's start with the food deals. Okay. So the Purdue ground chicken, I mentioned this a couple of weeks ago. I grabbed it again. It's priced at $3.47 and two different Ibotta rebates attached for $1.25 back each. But since this was my second time purchasing this, I got $1 back on Ibotta in bonuses, making this pack of chicken completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Ibotta already, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $10 back when you scan your first receipt. If you are brand new to couponing and you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. I have a complete tutorial on the Ibotta app as well. I will link it down in the video description box below. I also grabbed these Ritz Crispers. They're priced at $2.98 a box, but on the front, and you can't see it anymore, but on the front of the box, there was a peely for $1 off 2, and there's an Ibotta offer for 2. So I purchased 2 boxes of the Ritz Crispers at $2.98 each. I used that $1 off 2 peely coupon that I found, so I paid $4.86 at the register. I got $2.50 back for buying 2 on Ibotta. But another Ibotta rebate attached, so I got another $1.50 back, making it 86 cents for both of these, or just 43 cents per box. Other easy, super easy freebies that I finally found in my store are on these drinks, and there's a number of drinks. I found this in the little refrigerators up by the register. The Bubbly Bounce, $1.48. Ibotta actually gave me $1.49 back, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. I've heard these are good, never tried it before. Same section of the store is where I was able to find the Mountain Dew Rise. Finally able to find it. It's priced at $1.98. Ibotta's giving $1.98 back, making it completely free. The Coke with coffee, if you've been watching for a while, you know this pops up each Wednesday. Hopefully that keeps happening. These are $1.88 and Ibotta's giving $1.88 back, making it completely free. Another freebie that popped up this morning that I haven't purchased is the cauliflower pasta. So I'm going to pop it up here on the screen, but if you can find that in your store, that should be free after rebate as well. Lastly, I grabbed the Rockstar soda. I found this one on the actual soda aisle. It's $1.50. Ibotta gave me $1.50 back, making it free. Now, why do I grab the freebies if I don't have a plan on drinking them? And honestly, I don't have a plan on drinking these. because it helps me get toward my bonuses. Like this week, I got a $3 bonus for my midweek moneymaker bonus for doing, I think it was 15 or 18 offers, but I got an additional $3 back, and these just helped me get to that bonus, and I get to share it with a friend who might enjoy it. Another fun one, and this one I probably will eat, the dark chocolate turtles. These are priced at $1. Ibotta gave me 75 cents back, making this just 25 cents. Now, the Sour Punch, these are on the candy aisle, 98 cents, but there was an offer on my Fetch Rewards app for 60 cents back, and I hadn't done that rebate yet, so I paid just 38 cents for this pack of Sour Punch straws. Now, if you're not using Fetch, grab it using my referral code. I also have a complete tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app that you might want to check out, but using my referral code is going to get you an additional $2 back when you scan your first receipt. Last item for food, Barnana, I'm assuming, or Barnana. These organic plantain chips, they are priced at $2.98 each. You want to grab 2 of them. There was an offer on my Ibotta for $3.68 back when you purchase 2. There is also an offer on Aisle for $2 back, but Aisle sent me a text last night and said they are doubling the cash back for the first 1,000 receipts that they get. So I might get up to $4. It hasn't processed yet, but if I get that $4, that makes this free and a $1.72 moneymaker. Even if I only get the $2 back, it still makes it a fantastic price. And this is a new product that I would be trying out, so I always think that's fun. Now, Aisle is not an app. It is text-based. I will drop my link down in the video description box below. When you use that link, it will take you to Aisle to sign up, and then you just text your receipt, and they respond back that they got your receipt, and then the cashback goes into your Venmo account. If you have questions about that, just let me know down in the comment section below. So now let's talk about the non-food offers. So I grabbed this CoverGirl eye pencil, $4.44. There was a $3 coupon in the recent Smart Source insert. If you have that, you would pay $1.44. If you don't have that one, I have linked a printable coupon. It's just $2. Still a great deal, but you could use that one as well. If you don't have the $3 coupon, but I paid $1.44. I got $2 back on Ibotta, making this free and a 56-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed Persil. This 15-disc box is $4.94. There was a $2 coupon in the October 17th save, so I paid $2.94 at the register, and Ibotta gave me 50 cents back, making this just $2.44. And I know I've mentioned this before, Persil is my favorite laundry detergent. So I went ahead and grabbed some this week, especially since I knew this was going to be a moneymaker haul anyway. And if you missed my video on how I'm paying $0 out of pocket, let me remind you that in Ibotta, you can purchase a Walmart gift card using your Ibotta earnings and pay with your Ibotta earnings for your groceries at Walmart. So that has been huge. I've been not dipping into my bank account at all. I'm just using my Ibotta rebate earnings to pay for the next week's groceries that I get at Walmart. If you have questions, let me know. All right, couple more Ibotta offers. I grabbed this Degree body wash. It's priced at $5.47. There's a $2 coupon that I have linked for you guys. You will pay $3.47 at the register, get $2 back on Ibotta, making this just $1.47. Then I grabbed this Degree Max Recovery soap. I really like this soap. It's $2.97. There is a $1 coupon that I have linked for you. So you'd pay $1.97 at the register, get $1 back on Ibotta, making the bar of soap just 97 cents. And the other deals I'm going to talk to you about, those are Shopkick and Swagbucks deals. So let me tell you the Swagbucks deal first. It's on these, no idea how you pronounce this. So if y'all know, somehow phonetically tell me how to say it. I say Jason body wash. They are expensive. Like normally these guys are super expensive, but I found them on clearance for just $2.25 each. So that's $4.50. But Swagbucks was giving $8 back for these, making it free at a $3.50 moneymaker. Now, Swagbucks did not recognize the receipt. I did not get the happy bunny. I got the request a review of your receipt. So I had to submit a review of my receipt, and I'm hoping that they give me the $8 back. It is a qualifying offer. The apple cider is one of the listed qualifying products, so I'm not sure why it didn't recognize it on the receipt, but that's a nice little moneymaker if you can find them on clearance at your store. Now, Shopkick. If you haven't used Shopkick yet, of course I have a referral code. Of course I have a full tutorial video that walks you through how to use it. I grabbed just a few offers on Shopkick. The receipts have not processed yet. However, I have bought this before and the receipt did process. So these little Dove deodorants, they're priced at 97 cents each. I bought 2 of them. That's $1.94. I will get back 625 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.50. I will also submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $2 back for buying 2 Dove deodorants, making these free and a $2.56 moneymaker. Also, grabbed the Dove soap again. Again, the receipt has not processed, but I did this deal last week or the week before, and the receipt did process, so there's no reason it shouldn't. It's priced at 97 cents, the Dove soap. You'll get back 625 kicks on Shopkick. That's $2.50, making it free and a $1.53 moneymaker. The last deal that I did, again, receipt hasn't processed yet. I can let you know in the comments when it does. This Vaseline is $1.47. There's a Shopkick offer for 500 kicks back, which is $2, making it free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Now, once I got that $3 bonus on Ibotta for my midweek moneymaker that I started and finished in this haul, all of this was free and over a $6 moneymaker. So Allie, when I do the cost per item, everything was free and each item made me 30 cents or 29 cents. So free and a 29-cent moneymaker each. So I'm not sure if you beat that or not. We will just have to see, but I'm hoping it's you who gets to sport the wig in your video next week. All right, if y'all have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you are having a fabulous week. Thanks.